Dear students, this is the problem. From this one, we have to find out arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Find out arithmetic mean. This is the problem. How to solve? I am solving. You please try. There are various methods of finding out. Direct method is there, indirect method is there, step deviation method is there. All this we have discussed. But here I will teach you the direct method. Today we will examine how direct method will help us in finding out arithmetic mean. Okay. For this, first of all, you require 4 columns. One is wages. First one is wages. Whatever the first 2 columns, these 2, whatever that is given in the problem, we have to note wages. And second one is number of workers. Number of workers. Then these 2 columns we have to fill. Okay. Here this is M. M stands for, you all know, mid value. What is mid value? I will tell again, don't worry. Okay, this is FM. This is F. F means frequency. Okay, the problem we have to note down 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and number of workers, this is F. F stands for frequency. 2, 6, 10, 20, 38, 39, 12, 8, 6. This is the problem that I have noted down. You can observe. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. This is the problem. Exact problem. 0 to 10, 2 is there. 2 value I have taken. Similarly, 10 to 26 value is there. 6 value. 30 to 40, 20 is there. 20. Like that I have taken. As it is, I have taken. If there is any doubt, you can ask me, please. Now coming to mid value, how it comes? See, this is class. In this class, you can see 0 is lower limit, 10 is upper limit. Mid value is 0 lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Means that implies it is 0 plus 10 by 2. 0 plus 10 means 10. 10 by 2 means 5. Similarly, here it is 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. Similarly, here this one 20 plus 30 by 2. This is 20 plus 30 means 50. 50 by 2 is 25. Like that you have to do. See, the difference between each of them is 10. 10, 10, 10 difference is there. So here also automatically 10 will be the difference. Okay. So 5, 15, 25, then 35, then 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. These are the mid values. I hope you understood. See, you can cross check. See, 70 plus 80 by 2. 70 plus 80 is 150. 150 by 2 is equal to 75. Like that. These are mid values. Now coming to FM. How it comes? F is here. F's value is here. In the problem it is there. M value, mid value we have taken. We have calculated. 2 into 5 is 10. That you have to note down here. Fm means F into M. This column into this column. So 15 into 6, 90. 25 into 10. 25 into 10, 250. 20 into 35, 700. 45 into 38. What is the answer? Please tell me. 45 into 38. 45 into 38.
1710.
1710. Okay, right. Next, 39 into 55. What is its value?
2145.
2145. Right. Next, 12 into 65.
780.
780. Okay, right. Next, 8 into 75. Is it 600?
600.
Right. 85 into 6.
510.
Right. So these are the values. Is there any doubt for anybody? You can ask me. See, now we require this value, total. Total of this, how much? You please tell me. And similarly, here also, this is sigma Fm. Sigma Fm. Sigma Fm. Here is sigma. I want sigma symbol. I am looking for sigma symbol. Okay. Now you tell the totals of this. N is equal to sigma Fm is equal to. These two totals are required. N is equal to how much? This total. N is equal to how much?
N is equal to 141.
141. Sigma Fm, this is sigma. Sigma symbol I am unable to get here.
6795.
6795. So this is sigma Fm. Total of it means. For the time being, I am writing as total F. But you know the okay. I will write it. This is sigma symbol. You know it. Okay. Sigma symbol I have written. Sigma Fm. Sigma means the total of this column. Okay. Is there any doubt for anybody in this one? You can ask me. This is important.
One second.
Huh?
Mid-value, sir.
I am unable to understand.
Mid-value is 1 second, sir.
Mid value is once again you want explanation. Very good, very good. Now you see, mid value means, see in this wages, this 0 is lower limit, 10 is upper limit. This how it comes means this lower limit plus upper limit by 2 means 0 plus 10 by 2. That is 10 by 2 is 5. Okay. Now coming to this, is it okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, this second come to 15. See, 10 plus 20 by 2. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. Similarly, here 20 plus 30 by 2. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. Next one, 30 plus 40, 70. 70 by 2 is 35. Did you understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now, this is sigma Fm. This symbol is sigma Fm. Please note down. Now, I am applying the formula. Formula of this. Formula for this. That is x bar. You will indicate with x bar. X bar means again I have to take itself. X bar. You have to pronounce it as x bar. Please remember. Okay. X bar is equal to sigma Fm by n. This is equal to sigma Fm. We have found out the value 6795. 6795 by 141. What is its value? You please tell me. 6795 by 141. What is its value?
48.1.
48.191.
48.191.
191.
That's all, dear students. This is arithmetic mean. I hope you understood. Okay, very simple. This problem, as it is, 4 columns are required under direct method. Okay, you can solve based on any method. You can use direct method, indirect method, step deviation method. Several methods are there. I am taking the help of direct method in solving arithmetic mean problem. So these are the 2 values. These first 2 columns, as it is, whatever that is there in the question, you are going to drop down. Is it clear? Is there any doubt in these 2 columns?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Now coming to mid value, 0 plus 10 by 2, 10 plus 20 by 2, 20 plus 30 by 2, 30 plus 40 by 2. Like that, mid values you can find out. Okay. Now come to FM. M means mid value is you have found out. F value already it is given in the problem. So this column into this column, 2 into 5, 10, 6 into 15, 90. Like that you can do everything. 12 into 65, 780. So like that. So this is sigma FM. Okay, sigma means simply it is total. It implies total. That's all. Okay. Now coming to problem. The problem is, you know it, x bar. Arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. X bar is equal to sigma FM by n. Sigma FM we have found out, it is 6795 by n is equal to number of workers, that is frequency. That is given in the problem itself, the total of these numbers, that is 141. So 6795 by 141, it is equal to 48.191. So at the end you have to mention it. You have to mention the answer. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 48.191. Likewise, we have to mention it. I hope it is clear to you. Again, I will take class at my usual time. At 10:40, I will take again class. So thank you very much, dear friends.